Hi everyone. So today I would like to talk to you about the alphabet cards that we sent home for those of you that are working from home and how to use these cards in a way to teach children the sounds that the shapes of the letters represent. The cards look like this. There's a lowercase version and an uppercase version. And what I would suggest that you do is you help your child to cut these cards out. The cards are color coded so that the vowels are blue and the consonants are red. Later, when they start to try to spell words, that makes it easier for them to understand the consonant, vowel, consonant patterning that we use in the classroom. All right, so without further ado, let's go over the sounds that each of the letter pictures represent. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, A, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, Sk, Ya, Z. See, you can do it. Use your cards if you need to, lay them out in order of the alphabet, and then practice saying each sound as you go down the list. So those are the sounds of all of the alphabetic shapes. You know how we sing the alphabet song? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I'm a terrible singer, but here we go. We're going to try this with the sounds. And I'm going to look at my card for a cheat sheet. It would go A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, A, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, S, Ya, and Z. There's the alphabet sounds you see. Next time, won't you sing with me? So let's go through the alphabet sounds one by one. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, A, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, S, Y, Z. Good. Now you try. So when you're using these cards, you can put them in a sequence of red, blue, red, and try to see if it makes the sounds in a word. If you take the D and add the ah, and then add G, you have the sounds D, ah, G. Dog. Good. Let's try another one. If you take the card for the sound S and you add the A, and then you add D, you have S-A-D, sad. Good. Let's try another one. If you take this card for the sound L and I and the card P, you have the sounds for L, it, P, lip, lip. Great. Let's do one more and then I'll let you practice on your own. Let's start with the sound card for B, then add A, then add X, B, A, X. What word was that? Box. That's how you spell it. It just takes sounding out the beginning, the middle, and the ending sound, putting them together, and you can make a word. All right, have fun. Try to practice as much as you can. Ask mom and dad if you need help, and I hope to talk to you soon.